Okay, I want to talk about the appendicular skeletal system here. It consists of actually 126 bones, the appendicular. The axial consists of 80 bones, appendicular 126 bones for a grand total of 206 bones normally found in a human being. All right, this is known as the bones of the girdle, pectoral girdle. You have the clavicle. All right, so that's the clavicle. And then you have the scapula. All right, I'll tell you, might call it shoulder blade. All right, the upper limb, clavicle, scapula, humerus. Again, this is the arm, humerus. Okay, ulna, radius. You know this is going to be the radius because when the thumb is pointed on this direction, it's going to, it's going to rotate where that it's clear in that position. Then the radius will be clearly seen going towards that direction, ulna towards inward towards that direction. The humerus, this portion of the body, we have the head. So that's kind of like more so like the ball and socket joint that goes into the shoulder area. This is a long bone. So that is the humerus, of course, on two sides. Compact bone, soft bones, and soft tissue right here. But overall compact bone, hard bone on outside. Ulna and radius. This just I just liked this. I don't know. It shows whether there's a breakthrough here, but again, ulna and radius. Again, radius, thumb pointing out here, rotated where that the radius is pointing this direction, ulna pointing in this direction. All right, bones of the hands. All right, in this area, carpals. You've heard carpal tunnel. That's where that you have some problems associated in this portion. Oh, and by the way, this is the radius. All right, and that's the ulna. Again, the radius, because that's the thumb. Metacarpal. This area right here, meta. So that's metacarpal up to the first knuckle. All right, of the fingers. Okay, and then the phalanges. All right, so from here onto the distal portion of the fingertips. Just another picture. Again, radius, thumb, ulna going in the other direction. Carpal, metacarpal, phalanges. Pelvis. Well, the spine is part of this portion is part of the axial, but here you have the ischium, all right, coccyx, pelvic bone, right? It's pelvis, and there's some things, of course, that's going to be a part of the axial and the appendicular here, but the sacrum, that's this portion here. All right, and then you have the ilium. Sounds like kind of the Iliad, the book there, but the ilium, right here, the iliac crest, all right, part of the pelvis. All right, again, the coccyx, bottom part of the sacrum. Again, I just like to have a bunch of pictures just for redundancy's sake. Again, the coccyx, you call it the tailbone, doesn't have anything to do with the tail. I don't know, the throwback term, but yep, coccyx. You'll see a difference between the pelvis of males and females, and you have more so like a narrow right here area. It's more acute. Remember, like in geometry, acute is simply less than 90 degrees. All right, so something that is acute, all right, is less than 90-degree angle. All right, this is wide. This is like around 90 degree or even more than 90 degree. Well, heck, in this picture, it looks more than 90 degree, which would make it obtuse. All right. So as you see here again, the female. That's one way to know with the female. All right. Looking here, if you had a side-by-side comparison, yeah, you can definitely tell that there's a difference. All right. And some videos there. The appendicular pelvis, just a side view, or well, just a different view of it, the lateral view. Okay. The lower leg, just different parts. Femur, long, strong bone, compact bone, very strong. It's hard to break the femur. I've seen a person break it at least one time. They were running. It was high school track. This person fell. He fell. I guess awkward. Broke the femur. It was. Fortunately, the bone did not protrude through the skin, but yeah, it was angled like so. All right. So you have there's the patella, knee bone, the tibia, the tibia and the fibula. Again, you got the tarsals, the metatarsals, and the phalanges, just like in the hand. All right. Again, the femur, ball and socket joint, right here. Okay, the pelvis. So that's the head. Got the shaft. All right. The medial and the lateral end on different sides. That's the femur. Patella, right here, knee bone. All right. Very important. And ligaments and tendons definitely play a huge role as it relates to connecting bone to bone, connecting bone and muscles, and all that. So you got the femur here, the bottom part of the femur, all right, going up, superior. And then you get the tibia and the fibula going down towards the feet. Another picture of it. The tibia, all right, sometimes they call it shine bone. One important thing is that the tibia is the main weight-bearing bone of the lower leg, the second largest bone of the body after the femur. So the femur is the largest bone of the body. The tibia right here, second largest bone of the body. Now, does the fibula carry some weight? It does. I think it's maybe, gosh, I think I was reading where that was like 6% or 10%. But it's not nearly the amount, the percentage of the tibia. That's why we call it the main weight-bearing bone. So again, tibia, shine bone, fibula. And it makes sense that it's a weight-bearing bone because it's a larger bone. All right, simply just to carry weight. And carrying what weight? Well, all the weight that's above it. All right, some people might be some weight. Some other people, medium-sized weight, mid-sized weight. Some people, large weight. The foot, again, so you got the tarsals, the metatarsals, and the phalanges. Okay, here's a side view here. Tarsals, right here. Metatarsals, phalanges. Just another view. All right. Tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. Another angle here. Tibia, weight-bearing bone, fibula here. Again, so going from backwards there. Phalanges, metatarsals, and of course we got the tarsal bones in this area.